Your Excellency Natasha Perk-Musar, can you please share more about your vision for expanded international cooperation to scale up action on water and ensure that we deliver on the New York commitments? You have the floor, Madam President of Slovenia.
Thank you, Madam Chair. First of all, I would like to congratulate United Arab Emirates for the National Day you are celebrating today. Be proud, as we are all proud to be here hosting the conference here in Dubai. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the right to water has been included in the Constitution of Slovenia. As far as I know, there are only 4 countries around the globe which do have water as a right, as a constitutional right. We are very keen on the understanding of water as a public good that needs to be accessible to all. And I have to tell you that this right was put into our constitution by the effort of the young people in my country who were promoting this right, and they were collecting signatures, and a couple of years ago they were successful, and now Slovenia has the right to a water as a constitutional human right. The role of water in climate adaptation is gaining recognition, yet the relevant interplay between fresh water and mitigation is still not generally accepted. I therefore applaud the attention our hosts are giving to water security at COP28 in both adaptation and mitigation, including through this important event during the high-level segment. Slovenia is here to show our strong engagement and commitment on the water and climate nexus. Slovenia is a partner of the COP28 Water Pavilion and is co-curating a thematic day on water, health and peace at the pavilion on the 6th of December. At the Water and Food Day, Slovenia, together with partners of the Green Group, will launch a virtual water knowledge platform. Therefore, I thank Costa Rica, Cape Verde, Iceland, Singapore, and the United Arab Emirates for this and the ongoing excellent cooperation. We are also putting our scientific and technological solutions at the service of greater water security, protecting water resources and ecosystems, and improving the resilience of water infrastructure. Examples include the use of artificial intelligence to help track and monitor SDG 6, the application of satellite technology in promoting transboundary cooperation and applying remote sensing for first-class flood forecasting, and an early warning system in a transboundary river basin. You know, I could never imagine that Slovenia is going to be a space nation. My country is a small country. The population of my country is only 2 million, but we do have a tiny little satellite helping nations around the globe to forecast the possible flooding. Currently, the project in India is going on. The Ganges River is covered by this tiny little satellite circling in the Earth's orbit. So the urgency of water-related challenges demands immediate action at all levels. We need to keep alive the motivational drive that the UN 2023 Water Conference created. For this, we need regular intergovernmental conferences, the appointment of the UN Special Envoy on Water, and the adoption of the UN Strategy on Water. In the meanwhile, the 3rd UN Water Conference in 2026 has been agreed upon, and the UN Strategy on Water is in the making. On the other hand, I have to tell you, I am disappointed by the fact that after more than a year, the call, supported by 150 member states of the UN Secretary General still didn't appoint a UN Special Envoy for Water, and I would really love to see a special person to be the envoy, to be dedicated to the water problems around the globe. We know that there is no life without water. By accelerating water action, we are accelerating climate action. I appreciate this event today as a crucial first step in our understanding of the importance of water for both adaptation and mitigation measures. La vita è bella, joie de vivre. Life is beautiful, at least it was supposed to be beautiful. But it is not without a water. If we go home tomorrow, or the day after, and try to live with 3 liters of water per day, as it is today the situation in Gaza, believe me, we are not going to be successful in that. We are used to more than 3 liters of water per day. Thank you. And if we are going to use in the future water as a war tactics, nothing good is going to happen on our planet. What are we fighting for? Who's going to be the leader in the world? But I can tell you, to conclude, nature is the only leader in the world we have, and we have to listen to it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.